In this video, we're going to be testing out the camera on the Xiaomi 13T to take some portrait shots, and I've got Imran with me today. We're going to do these shots in all the different lenses. Let us know what you guys think in the comments.
Let's go.
Okay, so you can see we have three different focal lengths we can work with, starting off with the 35mm, 50mm, and 90mm. We're gonna try all three to get different angles and perspective. You also have the option to choose between Leica Authentic and Leica Vibrant because this camera is powered by Leica engineering, and the colors that you get are very authentic to Leica colors. 3, 2, 1. The real-time processing on this is actually really good. So, okay, I'm gonna switch over to the 50mm bokeh because that's my favorite. And 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Okay, so I think because these photos are turning out so good out of camera, let's make this a no editing challenge. Zero editing. All right, let's do that. Okay, so now we have this big tree. Check it out. There's this huge tree next to Imran right here. So what we're gonna do is take a picture of him with a tree next to him, and then we have the background to see the different levels of depth. So can it actually keep up with that focus? All right, so okay, 3, 2, 1. One more, 3, 2, 1. We are also starting off at 100% battery, and it is 12:30. So we're gonna see how long this is gonna last us from 100%. At 50mm in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, so they have this thing called the master lens system that gives you the 35mm, 50mm, and 90mm. You can use that, or you can use the regular mode. The master lens system actually uses a lot of the Leica engineering to give you proper processing on the photos. So definitely recommend it if you want like quick and easy, nice looking shots. We're gonna try the soft focus mode. This is a very specialized, I guess you can call it, look. Not a lot of people like it, myself included, but it is very cool. It's a very artsy effect. So we're gonna try that out for one portrait. Imran, try to look dreamy because this is a very dreamy. Try it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, now just because we're focusing on portrait modes, I'm not gonna do just portraits, which is ironic. But I'm gonna take an ultra wide shot because this tree is very distractingly huge. I really like it. Nice spot. So I'm gonna switch over to the 0.6x lens, and I'm gonna take a photo of this. A cool tip for shooting with the ultra wide lens is to invert the phone and put it down closer to the surface and then tilt up to take the photo. This actually gives you a very cool looking perspective on whatever shot you're taking. The left hand down, right hand is okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, a little bit like that. Yes, perfect. A little bit lower. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here we have all the photos. We're at 76% battery and it is about 3 p.m. So it's been about 3 hours of shooting, continuous shooting. But I don't want to edit these photos because I feel straight out of camera they look pretty sick. So what we're going to do is to show you the power of the processor. It's using the Dimensity 8200 Ultra processor. I'm going to go in and use AI to clean up some of these images. So you see there's people in the background here. So what we're going to do is tap within the gallery app, tap on edit, and then tap on AI and erase. Now I'm going to zoom in to these people in the background, remove manually, and we're going to draw around this person right here. And just like that, you can see in real time, they disappear super fast. So now this may not look perfect, but when you zoom out, it's actually perfect. With the Leica, you also have built-in 6 filters that look really nice, and you don't need to edit at all for that. So go into your edit button, and then you see filter right here, tap on that. So under Leica, you've got these 6 filters you can work with. So you've got vivid, you've got natural, you've got black and white natural, black and white high contrast, sepia, and blue. All these look really sick, but I think vivid and natural look the best for me. All right, so for this photo, for example, check out the difference between the vivid and the natural. I actually think the natural looks very nice. it looks like we have applied like a sort of faded, muted tone to the background. Look at the difference between those two. So the final image, I think natural looks very, very nice. So the battery life on this is actually pretty great. That's thanks to the 5000 milliamp hour battery in here. And it comes with 67 watt turbo charging. So even if you run out of charge, quickly juice it up, 30 to 40 minutes, you're back from 0 to 100. All right, so there you have it. A few tips on taking some great portrait shots and some environmental shots with all the 3 lenses on this phone. Absolutely love it. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know which shot was your favorite down below. Thanks everyone for posing. And we'll see you guys again in the next video. Until then,